Oh, my name is Mandy, and today I want to talk about what you can do when a man has not initiated you going somewhere with him, and instead you're staying on the dating app or you're just staying on the phone, texting endlessly, maybe even leaving voicemails, but there hasn't been a pursuit coming from him where he is taking the leadership role and moving the relationship along and actually like asking you to meet up for coffee or take you out on a date. You're starting to feel anxious, you're starting to feel constricted, and what can you do? Now, I just recently went through a an experience like this with a seemingly very great man. He's a doctor. He makes good money. He takes care of his body. At least, it seemed like that on the